Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and have a good day, Dr. Jabbar and Encik Nafis. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Azam Bishaidi. My magic number is 88180037. So today I will explain my final year project 1, which the title is an IoT based temperature monitoring system for transformer application. Now I will explain the introduction part. The power transformer is very important in power transmission. Any transformer failure can have significant impact the whole functioning of the organization. Replacing a new power transformer and the associated long-term power disruption due to its failure not only cause a huge amount but also impose the safety risk of possible explosion and fires. If transformer working in overheat condition, the transformer in critical condition can cause a decrease in dielectric strength and resulting in a insulation failure between the coil. From previous research, transformer oil temperature monitoring is used when the real-time correlation of the temperature and the preset of the temperature do not match. The alarm module sends an alarm signal. According to the most recent technological development, this system is inappropriate for use in remote areas because employees are required to monitor the system. Regarding to this project, I have designed an online monitoring system to sense the temperature of transformer oil in electrical power system. In this word, the transformer oil temperature setting range will set into 35 to 40 degrees Celsius to sustain the transformer working principle as shown in the table. So next, I will explain the problem statement. The lifetime of the oil transformer decomposes due to temperature increasing in the winding lead to the accelerated aging and can signal a breakdown in the insulation. Therefore, there is a need development of monitoring sensor to detect the temperature status so that the oil transformer can be controlled with appropriate condition. The increasing of manpower to check the transformer condition will lessen the stability, accuracy, and the performance of the transformer. The monitoring readings sometimes not really accurate because of human error. A design and implementation of the mobile embedded system is needed to monitor and control the oil temperature will be controlled by IoT. The objective of this FYP1 is to ensure the temperature reading is well not exceed from its normal range, which not exceed from 40 degrees Celsius. The second objective is to develop IoT-based transformer oil monitoring system with optical fiber temperature sensor. The third objective is to monitor the oil temperature in a power transformer by using real-time optical fiber sensor. Now, I proceed with scope of work for this proposal. The first scope is the temperature monitoring system simulated by Autodesk Tinkercad to detect the reading of the transformer oil that will conduct in the laboratory for the next semester. The second scope is Blink application will connect to the prototype that support the IoT technology to monitor the temperature of the oil transformer. The third scope is Arduino microcontroller will use to track the output of the optical temperature sensor and process the data to IoT platform. The next part is research methodology. There are three phases divided, which is phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. The phase 1 is about the sensor fabrication and characterization. The sensor will be fabricated or designed in the laboratory in the next semester. The multimode optical sensor or MMF acts as a sensor element and the OTDR, the one-time domain reflectometer, as analyzer. The phase 2 is about the IoT development. The IoT circuit will receive the input, which is temperature, and transmit into the IoT platform. This phase will use the Arduino and the Blink application to monitor the temperature. The third phase is about the integrated and the characterize the system. This phase focuses the combination of the sensor and the IoT device. Both structure will function as a single device, hence capable of the performing perfectly displaying the output. So next is the software development. The circuit has been developed into the Autodesk Tinkercad. The complete circuit was simulated. The temperature sensor that will detect the transformer oil used is the TMP3C in the simulation. The result of the temperature and the voltage output will be displayed. For simulation part, there are two conditions, which is the considerable condition and undesirable condition. The considerable condition for this simulation is when the temperature is below than 55 degrees Celsius. So when it below than 55 degrees C, the buzzer will not be beeping. And for the undesirable condition, when the buzzer above the 55 degrees C, the buzzer will be beeping. This is the recorded data collected and the graph of the temperature versus the voltage graph. The temperature begins at room temperature at 25 degrees Celsius with 749 millivolts. Then the temperature will rise slowly up to 53 degrees. The buzzer will be alert to the system. So finally, the conclusion part is the monitoring of the transformer oil has been successfully modeled and explained through the simulation that replicate in the Autodesk Tinkercad. IoT-based transformer oil temperature monitoring by optical fiber sensor will develop in the laboratory in the semester 2. Optical fiber sensor that will use is multimode optical fiber (MMF). The sensor will integrate with IoT to measure and transmit data into Blink Cloud. So that's all for my presentation part for FYP1. Thank you.